Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Ethereum did react to our support area down there again. I did mention to you that 1530 is a critical support. Overall, the price action does not suggest yet that we will go back into bull mode here or anything. It's of course always possible. It can always turn around. We are still in that kind of price range where the choppy price action is very much to be expected, but at the moment it's just following the yellow wave count. In the last video, we talked about that in this region, it is quite likely for this wave 1 of 5 to form a low. And it did that apparently. So I currently treat this move to the upside as a wave 2 of 5 of 3. So that means resistance, which I have added to the chart today, is all the way up to 1559. Yeah, this is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. As long as this level isn't broken, this micro count for this to be a wave 2 is very much valid and likely. And then we should come down in a third wave. There should be a fourth and a fifth wave, and we should complete this fifth wave of a third wave sort of deeper into this zone. But I would expect this third wave to be finished before breaking below 1450. So I hope that is valuable information. Then we should get still circle wave 4 and circle wave 5, which might even take us below this yellow support area, closer to the green one down there, which is between 1310 and 1200. We don't need to get into this region, okay? We will be able to talk about those targets as we get a little bit closer to them. Now, what happens if we break above 1559? Well, then resistance is going to be all the way up to 1608. Yeah, that would be a scenario in which wave 4 is unfolding. Okay, and then we can argue, okay, is it this wave 4? We can discuss that, this wave 4, or is it already this wave 4? Which would basically be the orange wave count on the Bitcoin chart if you followed that. Circle wave 3 would then be a bit too short, but it is valid in a scenario in which this entire move down is a diagonal pattern. But I would really only want to focus on that once we break above 1559. Until then, this more direct sell-off wave count is basically in control, but we need to be watching 1559 very closely, and I would not be surprised if it breaks. Not in this environment. We have very, very strong support down there at 1530. It's critical support. If you look at the indicators, the 4-hour, we were very much oversold here, for example, on the 4-hour chart. Would not be surprised to get a more pronounced wave 4 over the weekend. I mean, it's already Friday. Yeah, so, you know, I mean, if today a sell-off happens, we might finish off circle wave 3 and then get into a circle wave 4 weekend, you know. Bit of an insider joke, but it is often the case that on a weekend we're dealing with a wave 4. So this seems to become a wave 4 weekend, either this wave 4 or this wave 4. Okay, so that's what we probably have to watch out for today. As long as we are below 1559, a more direct sell-off should occur, yeah, in this circle wave 3 to finish it, wrap it up in this support area. But again, as I said, circle wave 3 should ideally finish before we break below 1450. But yeah, we have to be ready for a potentially larger wave 4 bounce, which is what Bitcoin could be doing in this orange wave count, which is also not unlikely because, I mean, on the Ethereum chart, I'm quite happy with the yellow wave count, the more direct sell-off count, yeah, the micro count, the nano count, because it works out quite well also with this triangle here. However, on the Bitcoin chart, the micro count of the yellow structure is a little bit ambiguous. And actually, I like the microstructure of the orange count on the Bitcoin chart, which is basically here also assuming a larger wave 4 bounce. I like that a little more. And it would work here on this chart as well, I have to say. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm observing. Not much more to add. The idea is we go down lower, only above 1608, or let's say 1609 here. We have to really focus on something more bullish. So yeah, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.